Hi friends, welcome to SNCA Study Club, a platform for CA final students. So here we are moving towards the 9th question, 9 first part. Mr. G, a chartered accountant in practice as a sole proprietor, has an office in Mumbai near Churchgate. Due to increase in professional work, he opens another office in the suburb of Mumbai, which is approximately 80 kilometers from, or that is away from, the municipal limit of the city. For running the new office, he employs 3 retired income tax officers. So whether he is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct or not, this is the question. So it is stating that he is a chartered accountant. He is having office in Mumbai. In where? Mumbai. So because of increased professional work, he started to open a second office which is 80 kilometer away from Mumbai. That is within, if it is the first office, the second office situated beyond 50 kilometer. That is 80 kilometer away. That is the second office is situated 80 kilometer from the first office. And he appointed 3 retired income tax officers for the purpose of what? That second office. So the question is, G is guilty of professional misconduct or not? Here what is, sorry friends, here what is Mr. G is doing? He is opening what? A branch. We know that. What is the meaning of office? Office means any place where the name body suffix or which has been mentioned as the place of business in the professional document. So he is having the first office. At the same time, due to increase of workload, he is opening what? Second office. So we know that where a chartered accountant or a firm of chartered accountants have more than one office in India, it shall be under what? Separate control of it should be under the control, or should be under the supervision of separate charge of member of institute, which is stating that such separate charge have to be member of institute, that is they have to be a chartered accountant. So this is mainly providing with respect of a branch. We have to refer what? Section 27, which is stating that if a chartered accountant having more than one office in India, each office should be under the supervision of separate charge of member of institute. But he here appointed about 3 retired officers. Then we have to check one more condition, exemption to that separate charge of member of institute. Which are the situations? Where the first office located, second office located in the same premise of the first office, same city of first office. Then where the second office is situated within a period of, within 50 kilometer from the municipal limit of the first office. That is, suppose this is the first office and this is the second office. The distance between these two offices is what? 50 kilometer from the municipal limit of the first office. Suppose this is the municipal limit of first office. Second office is situated within 50 kilometer from the municipal limit of the first office. But here it has been clearly stated that it is, they have 80 kilometer distance in between what? First office and second office. So here that exemption to separate charge of member of institute is not available. Here Mr. G, who is a practicing chartered accountant, have to appoint or have to employ what? Separate charge of member of institute, separate charge of member of institute to the second office, which is opened in the same city, that is in Mumbai. Okay, so here he is what? Deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct because he failed to comply with section 27. Okay, so the answer should be in the manner as per section 27. As per section 27, where a practicing chartered accountant or a firm of chartered accountant have more than one office in India, each office should be under the control or under the supervision of a separate charge of member of institute. Here the second office, which has been started by Mr. G, is located beyond 50 kilometer distance from the municipal limit of the first office. Hence it has to be under the supervision of a separate charge of member of institute. Here they appointed 3 retired income tax officers who is not a member of institute. So, or hence G will be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct because they not complied with the provisions of the act. So if we have to detail more in that, that is, if the question expect more detailed explanation, we can then we can say that it is not complying with the provisions of that which is that clause 1 part 2 second schedule. Okay, so this is what 9th question answer. So here we are moving towards the sub question of 9. Okay. The offer document of a listed company in which Mr. D, a practicing chartered accountant, is a director, mentioned the name of Mr. D as a director along with his various professional attainment and different areas of specialization. This is the question. Can company do so? Or if the company has done the same, whether this chartered accountant who is a director of the company shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct. This is the question. So what is happening here? Offer document, otherwise known as what? Prospectus. Prospectus. The details of prospectus has been provided in what? Clause 7. Can prospectus of a company include the name of a person who is a chartered accountant and as well as director of that company? That is practicing chartered accountant and as well as director. The same is allowed. That is, they can provide the name of a director and they can also provide that he is a chartered accountant. Plus, they shall not provide the firm name. Then shall not use any expression like associates, etc. Okay, association or associates, etc. Then shall not provide his professional attainment. As per the council guideline which has been issued by our ICI with reference to clause 7, it has been clearly mentioned that shall not indicate the firm name. That is, offer document which has been provided by the company shall not provide any details with respect to the firm name, shall not use any expression like associates, etc. and shall not advertise his professional attainment. This is what provided. So if all these are done in that offer document, it is amount to what? Solicitation. So in this question we can refer what? Clause 6 and as well as 7. So first of all, while answering, first you have to state what? The details of clause 6 and 7. As per clause 6 of part 1 first schedule, CA in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he solicit client or professional work directly or indirectly through circular, advertisement, personal communication, interview. Then as per clause 7, CA in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he advertises his professional attainment and uses any designation other than chartered accountants in letterhead, signboard, visiting card or any other professional documents or other than what? Letters, that is prescribed professional qualifications or membership of prescribed professional body. So here what the offer document of the company is providing details with respect of what? His professional attainment and specialization. This is amount to what? Advertisement of that professional attainment and solicitation of client or professional work. Hence the concerned chartered accountant who is the director of that company shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct. So suppose that concerned chartered accountant is stating that actually the offer document has been issued by the company, it was the responsibility of the company not to provide these types of details. I am not responsible, so I am not guilty of professional misconduct. The statement is not valid because it is the responsibility of the concerned chartered accountant to determine whether the offer document of such company include any information or any details that may cause any professional misconduct. So here concerned chartered accountant shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct. So this is the answer. Okay. Now we are